Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset POCO F8 Ultra. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a reset using the settings, that's also the recommended method, and we can also reset our device using recovery mode. Let me show you both methods. Let's begin with the settings. Simply open them up, click on About Phone, scroll down a little until you find Factory Reset. Before you factory reset your device, you can create a backup of your data. I highly recommend doing that because thanks to the backup, you'll be able to restore the data later, even after the reset. So having a backup is a really nice option. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can watch that video. Okay, and now to factory reset your device, all you need to do is to click on Erase All Data. After that, your device will be turned off. And after a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on. The next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. It is really easy. And when it comes to the second method, the recovery mode, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that after the reset, if you have the screen lock set, there's a chance that during the setup process, after the reset of course, the phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. Or it will want you to sign in into the Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. So have that in mind. Now let me show you how to do it. First we need to power off our device, click power button and volume up button at the same time, and now select power off. Alright, and now we need to hold power button and volume up button until we see the POCO logo. When it appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So start with by holding both buttons. Okay, and now release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up. The logo appears, the phone vibrates, and now we are in recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that, and we need to select wipe data, confirm by clicking power button. Now, wipe all data, confirm, the process has started, it also has finished. Click back to main menu, select reboot, and reboot to system. Now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.